number? 4?
Yeah, I'm showing 4.
So what must be 4? Odd or even?
Even.
Very good. Next.
8.
8. What is 8? Odd or even?
Even.
Very good. Next. What number? 20. So
Look at you.
odd or even? Oops, it's wrong.
But I thought of that too.
0 man. Diba ang 1 is odd. So 0 is even. And there, 13. Odd or even? Answer. Very good. Next. 14. Odd or even? Very good. Next. 11. Odd or even? Very good. Next. 19. Odd or even?
Even?
No. 19 man. So 9. Is 9 odd or even? Very good then. 0. So it's even. Very good.